Hi guys, welcome to my video. So in this video, I'll be telling you or showing you how you can make passive income effortlessly. So the app I'll be introducing to you, a quick one. The app I'll be introducing to you is called Honey Gain. I don't know, maybe some of you have heard about it or not, but this is the same app I'll be using. Or I'll be taking you through to earn this passive income effortlessly. So the app is called Honey Gain. This is it here, Honey Gain. Honey Gain. So what's Honey Gain all about? A moment, please. Honey Gain is, let's go to frequency so I can understand it better. General ask questions. So what is Honey Gain and how does it work? Honey Gain is the first ever app that helps its user make money online by sharing their internet connection. People can now reach their unused data plans full potential and not leave any unused data behind. It's a really passive income effortlessly. In short, you essentially employ your internet connection to make money for you. But actually, the Honeygain network is used by researchers for e-commerce, advertising, and web intelligence companies. These companies extract insights from the web to enable market research, ad fraud prevention, brand protection, pricing intelligence, travel fair aggregation, and SEO monitoring services. So I think with this brief summary here, I think you understand what Onigain is all about. So it's using your data balance, your unused data balance, is converting it into a passive income for you, which I think is nice. So how to get started? Okay, what's up? So how to get? Let me just explain with my online. How to get started? Just sign up through the link I drop in my description below. Sign up through the link. Once you sign up with my link, you get a $5, and you sign up with my link, you get a this is invite my friend. So you can see what I'm talking about. When you sign up using my link, they give you $5 worth of honey. You can see invite friend and any lifetime bonus. Everyone who joins and using your level gets a $5 starting gift. So use my link to register to get your $5 starting gift. So once you register, it doesn't need KYC or anything. Just register with your Gmail account, your password, and get your $5 starting gift. So all you just need to do is leave the app running at the background. Make sure your data connection is on, and yeah, that's just. But once you hit a $20 milestone, you'll be eligible to withdraw. Once you hit a $20, which is around 20,000 honey. Honey, I don't know what they will how call this. Is it honey bee or honey? Yeah. So once you hit a 20,000 honey, you are eligible for withdrawal. So if you use my link and you get a $5 starting gift, it will be faster for you to hit the milestone. And when you refer enough people, you get to hit the milestone faster. So let's come to more here, just so you see my transaction history. So all you just need to do is on your data, then it starts running in the background. You can see it's always run. You can see active. This is it here. Active CR gain 23,000 CR, traffic today 141.8 MBs. So as you can see, I've been doing this for a very long time, very long time before I hit my $20. But the faster way to earn is coming here to refer and coming every day to gather on jar winnings, as you can see, and referral, and also putting on your data connection just so it's tap from your unused data balance to mine your honey for you. As you can see, I've been doing this for long, but I don't want to withdraw yet, so that I'll be able to withdraw later on. But I can withdraw later on, just so you know that this is real. Okay, maybe in the next video I'll try to withdraw, then once I got credited, I'll show you payment proof and withdrawal proof. So all you just need to do is register with your Gmail. Once you register, make sure and don't forget to register with my link so you get a $5 starting gift to make your honey faster, so I can accumulate in your honey faster, so you'll be able to hit your milestone of $20 faster. And always come here every day to open your honey jackpot. Honey jackpot, you used to have done that for today. I will have showed you. You used to, once you are in the honey gain app, just wait. If it doesn't pop up immediately when you are in, just wait for like 1 minute. You will see it pop up. It will tell you to try your luck. Just click on the try your luck. Once you try your luck, it bring out a pot, then unlock the pot. Once you unlock the pot, it will give you a certain honey, a certain amount of honey, maybe 10, 100, sometimes 500 honey, which is insane. Can give you 500 because in a day I can only mine with my data in a day. And the crazy thing to mine faster is connect to enough device. You can see you have 4 more devices. I've connected to devices before, but it's like they are not active again. So I only have one device I'm connected to, which is my phone. So mine faster, you can connect to, if you have enough, you can see you can have up to 10 active device per account. So just if you have enough device, you can connect to all the device, just so you mine faster, refer, and don't forget to use my my referral link, to earn your starting gift of $5. So yeah, just refer enough people to mine. I can see here how much are honey gain. You can see the question here, how much are okay, let me go back. Let's start from here. Then, what does my shared traffic depend on? Internet speed, location, and the number of. You can see how much are honey gain credits worth. 1,000 honey gain credits worth $1. You get 1 credit for every 10 MB share. So that's the equivalent of 1,000 honey gains. That's why I'm telling you that 20,000 is worth $20. So 1,000 honey gain equals to $1 for you. So this is how you earn passive income effortlessly. So to request for payout, or should I just withdraw now? So you can request for payout, and yeah, okay, you can see you can withdraw to PayPal or Bitcoin. So if it's PayPal, just click PayPal to withdraw, or Bitcoin. But if I'm going to be withdrawing, I'm going to withdraw to Bitcoin. So when I'm ready to withdraw, I will show you the video when I'm ready to withdraw, and I'll show you the payment proof and all that later. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you make use of this little idea of mine to earn passive income. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.